Hello children, you might have seen magnets and have even enjoyed playing with them. Have you seen stickers that remain attached to iron surfaces like almirahs or the doors of refrigerators? In some pin holders, the pins seem to be sticking to the holder. In some pencil boxes, the lid fits tightly when we close it even without a locking arrangement. Such stickers, pin holders and pencil boxes have magnets fitted inside. If you have any one of these items, try to locate the magnets hidden in them. What material is needed for making magnets? How were these magnets discovered? Let us try to find the answers to these questions in this video. I am here to explain to you about magnetic and non-magnetic materials from the lesson Fun with Magnets of Class 6 Science in this session. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand about discovery of magnets, different shapes of magnet, magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Keywords: magnet, the substances having the property of attracting iron. Attraction is the force that attracts two bodies to move towards each other. Magnetic materials, the materials which get attracted towards a magnet. Non-magnetic materials, the materials which are not attracted towards a magnet. Artificial magnet, man-made magnets. Before starting the session, let us look at the concept map of this session. It is said that there was a shepherd named Magnus. Who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to the nearby mountains for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountainside. It seemed as if the stick was being attracted by the rock. The rock was a natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how natural magnets were discovered. Such rocks were given the name magnetite, named after that shepherd. Magnetite contains iron. Some people believe that magnetite was first discovered at a place called Magnesia. The substances having the property of attracting iron are known as magnets. Natural magnets do not have a definite shape. Since they are used for finding direction, they are also called leading stones or lodestones. Later, the process of making magnets from pieces of iron was discovered. These are known as artificial magnets. Nowadays, artificial magnets are prepared in different shapes. The magnets we see and use in our daily lives are bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, ring magnets, disc magnets, cylindrical magnets, and etc. Let us do an activity to find out the attracting power of magnets. Take a plastic or a paper cup. Fix it on a stand with the help of a clamp. Place a magnet inside the cup and cover it with paper so the magnet is not visible. Attach a thread to a clip made of iron. Fix the other end of the thread at the base of the stand. We have to make sure that the length of the thread should be sufficiently short. Bring the clip near the base of the cup. The clip is raised in the air without support, like a kite. To understand the magnetic and non-magnetic materials, let us do an activity. Take a bar magnet, nail, jump clip, plastic scale, a piece of glass, brass key, paper, iron bolt, pen, pencil, knife, stainless steel spoon, a piece of chalk, and wood. Touch the magnet to each item. Does the magnet attract every object? Which materials are attracted by a magnet? Which materials are not attracted by a magnet? The materials that are attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials. The materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Here, bar magnet, nail, jump clip, iron bolt, and knife are magnetic materials. Plastic scale, a piece of glass, brass key, paper, pen, pencil, stainless steel spoon, piece of chalk, and wood are non-magnetic materials. Is soil a magnetic or a non-magnetic material? Let us do an activity to find it out. Rub a magnet in the sand or soil. Pull out the magnet. Are there some particles of sand or soil sticking to the magnet? Now gently shake the magnet to remove the particles of sand or soil. Are some particles still sticking to it? These might be small pieces of iron fillings, picked up from the soil. Through such an activity, we can find out whether the soil or sand from a given place contains particles that have iron. Points to remember. Magnetite is a natural magnet. Magnets are of different shapes, that is, bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, ring type magnets, etc. The materials that are attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials. The materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Thank you. Stay tuned.